No, heavy. The heavy.
The heavy.
Heavy.
Vivi, are you heavy, Vivi? She wants to play. Ask Vivi if she wants to play. Vivi, do you want to play with Lorencito? Like, no.
No.
It has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. It's about 20 square feet.
Say bye-bye to the camera.
Yeah, I think you need to look at everything just to make sure you
Papa,
make
she
the
go,
right
go, go,
decision.
This tile is something else. I don't know how I feel about the tile.
There's been a lot of updates to this house.
Baby.
Down here to the left.
Okay. Yeah, let's go take a
They're
look.
always good for resale, even if you don't spend a ton of time in your dining room. Nice size.
Yeah, it is small. It's pretty big, but it's square shaped. It'll be weird with a long table, but
Yeah, it seems like you could still fit a rectangle table this way or even that way.
I don't have much expertise in dining room, so.
Are you feeling better, Papa? Your tummy hurts?
The heavy. Look, we're heavy. We're heavy.
Yeah.
Heavy. The heavy.
Yeah.
Look, her heavy.
She's heavy. Vivi, she's comfortable. Look at Vivi, she's comfortable now. Vivi, leave your little brother alone, Vivi.
Yeah, it's very open. It would be kind of awkward space, though. I don't know how we would use the kitchen being so close to this space.
No, be careful with her. Ay, Papa.
Yeah, but it makes it feel bigger. It's more open, you know, with little ones
Gotcha.
and little kids that you may want to keep them close while you're in the kitchen. So for resale, it's definitely a consideration. And right through that door is another family room.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Oh, I love how it sinks down. That's so cool.
It's a little different, but I like it.
Cozy.
Uh-oh, she's crying now. Ooh, she's lost. Say bye.
Bye.